like जब performance की बात आती है, I remember my love for cinema. For a long time, बहुत time तक जब मैं theaters नहीं जाता था, this lady made me like the color of orange, जो पेड़ के जो orange colors रहते हैं, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, black, any film that she ever did, purely for performance. I was the first person in a theater. Hichki, I was sitting alone and I remember saying it's not possible she can do this consistently till the end. And she did do it consistently till the end. I think there have been very few that have taken performance to an art level, because sometimes it becomes a business when you become a star. My greatest privilege, Rani Mukherjee, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, my darling. Such a sweet thing to say about me.
It's true. And you have the lady in waiting, Sharvari. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Killing it in a promo with her in it is a very big deal. So we'll come to the queen. You know, for me, and it's true. I really do feel that I see this every time. Also, when I see Kalbi Alvedra, and I remember looking at your eyes and I'm just going like the expressions. Did you ever have that that performance anxiety with her?
No, because the first time we saw them, I remember Siddhant and I were only looking at them. We forgot that we were supposed to act right after this. We forgot we had dialogues. We forgot we were here as actors. We were just looking at them, and then we ended up speaking amongst each other and saying, listen, we're against them. Yeah. We better buck up.
But ek saath hi hai. But it's true, I know the whole world will say this to you also, awards are aate, but I've never seen this much joy. You know, you over the years, itne sare kare aapne, no matter, and all the awards will come by. Is it difficult to sort of start up again also? And nowadays you do almost solo films. Mardani solo hi rehti hai aur sare hit hai. But you enjoy this, na?
I love this because for me, my true love has always been dancing around trees, around buildings, in streets with 100 people watching us and saying, what's wrong with them? So that's been my love as a Bollywood quintessential film heroine, where I have loved dancing and singing. I have loved romancing. I have loved these rom-coms. I love doing comedy. I love being mad, because I think that's the way I am in my personal life. And I like to...
But you're very good at all also. कहने के तो सब लोग कर सकते हैं ना. मुझे सिंगिंग सारी चीजें करनी है, लेकिन फिर वो आपका कोई गुरु आके बोलता बेटा you can only do one thing. ऐसा नहीं है आपके साथ. So have you ever found anything difficult? From a performance, एक लेवल पर होता है ना कि मैं ये कर सकती हूँ और इसमें मेरा ठीक ठाक रहा. तो आज मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, did you ever feel कि यहाँ पे मेरा 19-20 हुआ performance wise?
वो तो मुझे हर performance में लगता है कि मेरा 19-20 ही हो रहा है. Because I think as a performer, I think I'm always looking to learn and to do something new with each of my character. I think why probably my fans have stood by me for so many years through thick and thin is because I think I give them a different Rani with each of my film. They don't see me as Rani Mukherjee, the star in a movie. They see a character. And I think that's what keeps me going, or has kept me going for so many years. Whether I do a bubbly, whether I do a Shivani Shivaji Roy, or whether I do a Naina, or whether I do any character that I've done in the past, I think I truly always look at some kind of inspiration that I can bring from my personal life, a person who I must have observed in my trip abroad, or somebody in my family or my friends, or somebody who I knew back then, that I take something from those people, I borrow those things, those mannerisms. Then of course I have my wonderful directors who help me move further. And also because I come from a film family where my dad was a producer and a director, I think what he kept telling me at all times, that I've heard while growing up, that the script is the backbone of a film. Correct. And when the script is good, your work as an actor 50% gets done, because the writers actually give you that platform to perform a new character. They give you the scenes, the lines, the characteristics, the personality. Like if I have to say, Vimmi is truly special today because it was Jaideep's genius who came up with this character. Correct. He was the one who defined her, the person who wrote about what personality she will be like. I just came in and brought the life energy into this character, but the true beginning of this part actually happened with the writer who wrote this for me. So I believe that when I jam with my writers, I get to understand what they are wanting from this character. And then from there, I take it to whatever understanding I have of the character, and then I try to make it my own.
एंड इजीली एस इट ये तो हर बार यहाँ तो महासागर है एक्सपीरियंस का, है ना, सारे रोल्स का भी, एंड इतने लोगों से मिली है, शी इज मेट सो मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल, सबका कुछ ना कुछ ले लिया. यू आर कमिंग इनटू द ड्रीम, है ना, यशराज, बड़ी फिल्म,
स्लो मोशन वॉक्स,
वो भी इतने सारे अलग अलग कपड़े, इतने सारे अलग अलग लुक्स, कैरेक्टर्स, एंड यू नेलिंग इट ऑल. ये डॉन्टिंग भी हो जाता है. आई नो दैट, यू नो, वंस यू आर डूइंग द फिल्म, इट्स ओनली व्हेन इट्स ओवर, और जब ऐसे लोग आपसे सवाल करते हैं, देन यू फील स्लाइटली मोर, अच्छा इतना था. बट व्हेन यू वर डूइंग द फिल्म, यू नो, लाइक अ फिश टू वाटर, या क्या सीन था?
See, I've honestly been auditioning since the last 7-8 years, you know, so when you finally get that break, when you finally get that chance, there is really no point being scared of it, because you wanted it for so long. Like, I don't see a point of why you wouldn't put your best foot forward and then get scared or nervous about it. So I just went in every day thinking, this is my dream and I get to live it. Like, while I know that 19 November is when everyone's saying, oh, your dream comes true, but mine came true when I saw Yashraj films Bunty Bubbly for Sharvari. That paper for me was everything, you know. So since that day,
the whole world is jealous, ना, उसके बाद यशराज खत्म हुई, भाई खत्म हो गया. सिर्फ बर्फ नहीं है ना इसमें, that's the only thing missing, ना. Or have you shot in बर्फ also?
No, we've not, but वो भी हो जाएगा hopefully. So no, I mean, for me, it's just been a dream come true since that day to today, and I'm sure every day, because I'm here with Yashraj, you know, that this is home for me. So my dream is fully complete, but I'm sure there's lots more in store, and I'm very excited to see what people have to offer me and what I have in this journey.
You know, promo में कई बार क्या होता है, आधी फिल्म दिखा देते हैं. बट यहाँ पे मैंने देखा था, द प्रोमो इटसेल्फ शोकेस सो मच ऑफ यू ऑल. इट वाज फैंटास्टिक. मतलब प्रोमो देखकर ही एवरीवन वाज लाइक वाओ. पहले प्रोमो अगर डिसअपॉइंटिंग आता है, रिलैक्स करो, पिक्चर में अच्छा है. यहाँ तो प्रोमो में ही तुम सब हो, मतलब तुम्हारा तो रानी से ज्यादा दिख रहा है इस पिक्चर में. सो यू नो, व्हेन यू सॉ द प्रोमो, सबसे खूबसूरत रिएक्शन, सबसे एक्साइटेबल रिएक्शन?
सबसे एक्साइटेबल रिएक्शन ये था कि मेरा 11 साल का भाई है, who thought that those characters was not me. Who wasn't believing. नहीं, who wasn't believing. So I kept telling him कि तुम झूठ मत बोलो यार, तारीफ करने की भी हद होती है. So he's like, listen, I can't believe that that's you. So for me, I think that was the best reaction. Yeah.
And when you saw them,
where
trailer,
in the trailer,
हाँ, because
but I've seen them, मतलब live.
but जब वो कट के आता है, एडिट में आता है, I was telling वरुण also अभी,
हाँ, but मैंने फिल्म भी तो देखी है ना.
तो कैसे है ये?
मतलब they are outstanding, and I think, मतलब both Sharvari and Siddharth, मैंने हर इंटरव्यू में बोला है, they come from very good families. And for me, what makes me love them even more is because I see that there's a genuine respect that they have. I see that they come from very secured homes, and कोई मतलब जैसे हम मतलब millennials के बारे में सुनते हैं कि they are, मतलब they know it all.
Correct.
और वैसा एक vibe मुझे कभी उनसे नहीं मतलब दिखा. और अगर दिखा भी तो मतलब मुझे कुछ लेना देना नहीं, वो उनका लाइफ है. but in a nice way, I think एक जो affinity होती है ना, जो लोग genuinely अच्छे होते हैं, I think Siddharth and Sharvari are genuinely very good people, and for me that is most important when I look at actors, because I genuinely believe that when you're good and you're good as people, you will shine on screen as well, because the camera catches that vibe, and I see that.
This look like a party.
Yes, and Siddharth and Sharvari, both, they are extremely like mind-blowing actors, because I can say that for Siddharth, he's not here. When I saw Gully Boy, I believed that he was a rapper, and he lived in Dombivli. I when they were casting him for Bunty Bubbly 2, I was like,
but actor bhi hai.
Matlab, is he an actor? Because I thought that he's a rapper, because he was so flawless in that part. And then when I realized, when Adi told me that no, he's from, he is more this character of Karan. Karan, na?
No,
नाम क्या है?
बंटी, no?
नहीं, उसका एक्चुअल नाम क्या है फिल्म में?
मैम, आपने मुझे कंफ्यूज कर दिया है.
हाँ, कुणाल.
चलो कुछ तो इतने सारे इंटरव्यूज के बाद अगर एक अगर चूक मिल गया, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
सो कुणाल का जो किरदार है, एंड यू आर सोनिया ना?
हाउ कैन यू नॉट नो अबाउट दिस?
So Kunal जो है, so he is more Kunal, you know, and if you see him perform in this film, you'll be like, my God, he is a really versatile actor. So that
I've
was
seen him
why.
play cricket also ना in the series.
अच्छा,
उसके
वो
बाद
तो-
किसी ने सोचा नहीं था कि वो
अच्छा, मैंने वो नहीं देखा है, sadly, not taking away from anybody, and with respect, with due respect to everything, they will forgive me because I'm a mother. I have other things to do.
I'm sure.
but you know, the fact is that Sharvari, it doesn't look like this is her second outing. You know, the fact that she's so confident and such a good, मतलब एक होता है ना quintessential film heroine में क्या चाहिए? खूबसूरत दिखनी चाहिए, एक्टिंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए, डांस अच्छा आना चाहिए, कपड़े पहन के बहुत हॉट लगना चाहिए. She has everything. So you see, it's like both of them have brought so much freshness to our franchise that they are making Saif and me fresh also. You know, so that I think is something that you can't take away from the millennials, you can't take away from youth. And I think that is what is truly, truly special about them.
You know, when the two of you and Saif and you were having
Yeah.
this brilliant run, box office पर
Yeah.
सारे national awards, सारे awards आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा, मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिली, हाँ, सैफ को
But
मिली.
उस समय-
मतलब just be
अच्छा,
clear about it.
Very, but I say this again also. Performance-wise, there is nobody, hands down. There are only 3-4 actresses. आज भी they can fill a theater. And like I say, आप तो अकेले ही कर लेते हो. And you know, and there are very few that can do it. So, and with performance-oriented roles. उसमें नाच गाना नहीं हो रहा. आप तो थप्पड़ मार रहे थे बीच में.
थप्पड़
एक
क्या?
थप्पड़ मार मार के आपने बॉक्स ऑफिस पर लोगों को ले आए थे. So that still worked. But with Saif and you all reinvented urban cinema
Yeah,
at one time.
rom-coms,
हाँ, and even Saif as a actor reinvented himself उस जमाने में.
Yes.
Now you're coming back and he reinvented himself with OTT and managed to, you know, find his niche over there. Then Saif and now Saif. Now Papa of many, enjoying himself. Really is a different zone.
Yes.
How do you all connect on set now? Is he still the same?
So I would say that, see, a person never loses his what do you say, his core. So Saif at his core is a child, is a fun-loving person, is a person who likes to, you know, talk rubbish and make people laugh around on the set. So that core has not changed. What I would say has changed, which Saif actually pointed out, which I couldn't actually say it in words, but he kind of made it easy for me to make me realize what has changed in him. I think when I worked with Saif the first time around, he was going through a very different time in his life. You know, I've seen him in different stages, in his ups and downs. You know, I've worked with him. And before he was a bit immature, you know. And now what I see is Saif, there's a lot of therav in him. He's very mature. He's more secure in his own skin, I would say, in his own space. And I felt like I'm meeting a school friend after so many years. So 13 years के बाद एक होता है ना that, you know, when you meet your school friends, you don't talk to them every day.
Correct.
But when you meet them, you're like, अरे वो हुआ था ना, अरे. It's like crazy. Like when you meet your school friends, you're like, shit, why did we meet for so many years? You know, it's that kind of a feeling. So with Saif and me, it was exactly that. And when we came on set, the kind of rhythm that I think we have as actors or as co-actors, I think that's like, it's very organic, you know. And Saif and me, I think the fact that we have grown over these years as actors, evolved as actors, there's a lot of respect he has for me, I have for him, for his craft, and we genuinely love each other and we are very frank with each other. So I think that really helps us, and that makes our chemistry truly special because we are very honest with each other. So if I don't like something about a particular shot, or if I feel it can be better, I don't have that hesitation to say that to him because I know that's only going to be taken in a positive way.
Yeah.
A lot of times, a lot of people might find it offensive. अच्छा तुझे बड़ा आता है, you know, that kind of a feeling.
इस पुराने ज़माने में ऐसा होता था, आजकल शायद
आज change हो चुका है performance. But with Saif and me, I think we have that comfort that if he tells me something or if I tell him something, I know we are playing as a team and we are playing on the same team, you know, and we both want to better ourselves. So I think that comfort, when it comes between two actors, then it's like really, really tremendous.
the rhythm is brilliant. Like I said, you know, this World Cup winning team का हिस्सा बन के so you're on set, you know, and you're doing a brilliant job also. So when do you now do you
We are
start?
ready for Bunty Bubbly 3.
है ना?
अगर आप वो पूछना चाहते हो.
Oh no. वो बाकी लोग पूछ चुके होंगे, मैं तो पूछ रहा हूँ. How do you all then? Do you all feel now you all belong in Bollywood? क्योंकि अभी यशराज
course
फिल्म
they
कर
do.
ली है.
Of course.
ये दोनों
If
सुपरस्टार
they say they don't, they're lying.
नहीं होता है ना, आफ्टर वन फिल्म ऑल्सो यू नॉट श्योर कि पैर अभी जमे हैं कि नहीं जमे हैं.
नहीं, ये तो-
वो तो गली बॉय कर करके वो तो जम चुका है पूरा. बट माय क्वेश्चन इज नाउ, डू यू फील कि हाँ अब आई एम देयर?
No, I do feel that. Look at the title of our film. What are you saying? It doesn't get more Bollywood than this film.
Correct.
It's Bunty or Bubbly.
Yeah.
You know, so of course it feels like that. That's it. I would say that title is enough to make me feel like I'm
एंड यू
here.
फील यू हिट जितना कर सकते थे, यू नो, होता ना एक परफॉर्मर के अंदर थोड़ा सा और कर सकती थी.
You know, I think that's debatable because I have given my 100% with all the knowledge that I had back then. And then the last 2 years, you learn so much more, you know. So I always feel like when you'll end up watching it, you might end up feeling that, you know, I have had this new experience which I can maybe use, or I could have used, but it doesn't work like that. So
Work
back
from home
then-
experience.
No, so back then I did my best with all the knowledge that I had, and now there's more because I've learned so much from this film. So I'll always feel like I can do better and I can do better. So I'm sure we will feel that with every project that comes by.
I'm on the 4th floor at Yashraj. All 3 floors prior to this, said भाई ये सुपरस्टार है next. इतना तो ये सेट हो गया. और मैं ऑलरेडी इतना बड़ा फैन हूँ रानी मुखर्जी का, तो वो तो दुनिया जानती है. Like I said, every time the sure shot box office and it works really wonderfully well. She takes 2-3 year break also, doesn't make a difference यार. वो numbers fix रहते हैं ना, बहुत कम लोग fix रहते हैं. So thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I know that this is going to be a really big in theaters again. Are you going to go yourself in the theater?
Of course. ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है.
You तो will book the whole theater, na?
Yeah, my parents have a almost every day increasing list, which is already 100 as of now, as we speak.
How
Normally it happens शादी के time, but you're doing
Yeah.
you're doing it at your
I think
film
it's
के time.
just as big an event right now.
Yes.
Bigger.
Bigger.
I'll see you guys soon. Take care and on B for you.
अरे बताओ, पिक्चर देखो जाके 19
बोलने की जरूरत
नवंबर. नहीं बताओ आप बोलो. आपके जो ट्रू लॉयलिस्ट है, बोलो.
दो ही हैं. मैं टिकट के पैसे दे दूंगा. Just go watch it. वैसे और कोई लगी नहीं है थिएटर में. If you're passing any theater, you'll see this. तो जाके देख लो आप लोग. Bye.